Welcome. In front of me is a GIGASET GS190, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, let's open up settings, scroll all the way down to system. Now disregard the fact that it is in a different language, all the options will be in the same place. So from here, I'm going to tap on the advanced, which is the arrow down, and choose reset option, which is the second last option right here. And then the last option, so basically factory data reset. And here it will give you an information. Performing this will basically remove all the data from your device. So if there is anything that you would like to keep, back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it, or you might not want to, choose reset phone at the bottom, then erase everything, and the process will now begin. So give it couple minutes, probably something like 5 minutes I assume, for the process to finish up, and once it has, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, that you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.